Scenario number 2. That this keyword is inside a method. And you already know that a method is a function property inside an object. So over here I have the user object, and over here there's a property called calc age, which is a function. So this is basically a method. So let's make that in practice. I'm going to go to our code over here, and I'm going to create an object. So I'm going to simply go over here and say const user is equal to an object. And the object has, let's say, name, and this name is, let's say, Mariam. And it's going to have an age, so year of birth is equal to, or colon, let's say 1999. And this person was, let's say, has a method. This particular object has a method called calc age. And the job of this particular function is to calculate the age of the person given the year right now, the current year. And it's going to take this particular parameter and calculate the age based on that. So we can simply code that easily. I can simply say, what is the current year? So I can say new date. That's going to give me the date. And let's say, I'm going to say dot get full year. So that's going to give me the full year of right now. So depending on when you write this program, the year is going to be different. So I'm coding this in late 2018. So that's 2018 right now. So I'm going to say minus this dot year of birth. Okay, like such. So let me just make this a little bit wider so it's on one line. Perfect. So it's going to do this math. This is going to give it 2018. So let me just show it to you. I'm going to paste this code over here. I hit enter and I get 2018. And this dot year of birth is going to get the property over here. And that is where this keyword is helpful. So I'm going to simply return this. So that's going to spit it out. So over here, the second scenario that we're looking at says that this keyword, when used inside the method, points to the object the method is in. So this keyword is inside this method, and this method is inside this object. So that this keyword is going to point to this object. It basically is pointing to user. So it's basically going to say user dot year of birth. So user dot year of birth is 1999. So that's why it's going to get the current year minus 1999 and whatever the calculation ends up being, which is 19 right now. So let me just demonstrate that to you. So I'm going to do this, save. And now if I just simply do user dot calc age like such, and I'm going to capture the value age over here, and I'm going to simply console.log age. That's going to give me that particular calculation. So refresh and I get a beautiful error. I don't know what that is. Invalid shorthand property initializer on line number 12. What is happening over here? Oh, I used equal. It should be a colon. Perfect. I'm glad these errors occur so that we can troubleshoot live. So I refresh and I get 19 over here. All right, on line number 18, we got this. So that covers the second scenario, which is the most common scenario where the this keyword is actually used. That's what it's meant for. So that is the second scenario, and I'm going to talk to you in the next lesson where we're going to discuss the third scenario. Talk to you then.